Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Let's take a look at this sales page for this private label rights done for you content called the Pivot Point and see exactly how this done for you content can help you in your business. And just like it says over here, why you should pick this up today. This is inside the members area for the Pivot Point from Global PLR and Chris Cole. As you can see right here, it's simply a download area where you click a button and download the content. There's a link to some bonus modules and there's also a link to the upgrades if you so choose to get those, and we'll take a look at the Pivot Point Gold, which is some videos, and we'll also talk about the Pivot Point Platinum. So when you buy the Pivot Point front end, which is the download content that you simply click here to download, what you'll get is a zip file. When you unzip that, you'll get module 1 through 9. The ebook, and you can see here it comes in docx and PDF formats. Also, there is an enhanced version. You also have some ebook images here, as well as some unsplashed images that he shared with you. Module 2 is the lead magnet report. We'll go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. This is the PDF version. Of course, you get it in a Word version. You can simply edit this as you need. And you can see here 4 simple steps to create lasting change. Everyone has at least one thing in their life that they'd like to change, whether it's losing weight or finding a more fulfilling job. We're always hoping to improve ourselves and our lives. Then it moves on and talks about, let's take a look at a 4-part action plan that can help you set and define a goal and the necessary means to achieve that goal. Step 1, identify what to change or achieve in your life. As you can tell, this PLR or this private label rights content is structured in a way that you can use it across many different niches. And also, of course, you get full private label rights with this to make it your own, add your own voice, and steer it directly towards your audience. Of course, back on the sales page, change your habits and pivot your life PLR. It's a brand new package. You can see right here that Chris Cole is showing you a way to shortcut your route to success and authority with this fully editable content bundle that you can put your name on. In case you're not familiar with what PLR is or private label rights, this is everything you can do. It can be edited in any way. You can claim yourself as the author. It can be used as content in paid membership sites. You can also package this up or bundle it with other products. It can be offered as a bonus for a paid product. You can also use it for opt-in bonuses. It can be used as a gift or giveaway to build your list. It can also be used as your own website content. There are some things that you can't do with it, such as resell the rights for other people to take this and use it as their own. As you can see here, resale rights, master resale rights, and you cannot pass on private label rights like the rights that you're going to be buying when you pick up this product. Cannot offer it through auction sites, can't sell it on TradeBit or any other resale site, and you cannot give away or sell as your own PLR. I know that seems like a lot of rules and maybe confusing. If you're new to PLR, it just simply means you can buy this content, you can download it, and you can use it as your own content on your website. You can rewrite or use the lead magnet and the book as is and sell them as your own product. Of course, if you have any questions about that, you can just simply ask, leave a comment here on this video, or send me an email, and I'd be more than happy to walk you through how to use private label rights content if you don't know how to use it and you've never purchased it before. So what exactly are you getting inside of the Pivot Point? I showed you inside the files, but let me just break it down here on the sales page. You are getting an 8,100 plus word ebook. Again, these come in different formats, docx, text, and PDF. You can see an example right here, and I'll go back and I'll show you this, what it actually really looks like, and read a little bit for you after we walk through the rest of these modules. This is a lead magnet that we just took a look at. We read some of that earlier. Module 3 is the lead magnet opt-in and thank you page. These are done for you squeeze pages. You can take these as inspiration and build your own, or you can use these right out of the box. They're ready to go for you, and this is perfect for building your own email list. You also get module 4, which is the ready-made sales letter and thank you page. This is how you can sell this as your own product. I have other videos here on the channel that talk about this and the way you can do this as your own product or even as a bonus if you are an affiliate marketer. All you need to do is add the order button and you're ready to make sales, and you get to keep 100% of the profits, or again, use it as a bonus. There is a graphics pack right here to give you inspiration for the graphics that you will need for this product. And of course, module 6 is 5 quality articles, and you can see the article titles here. 7 morning habits that will change your life. 8 bad habits you must break if you want to see success. 9 ways to achieve wealth. 11 habits of the highly successful. 30 daily habits you must start today. Here is a content sample, and you can read that right there if you pause the video right now so you can see what that looks like. Module 7 is going to be a habit tracker. People love these kind of things. You could even use this in the low content space if you wanted to create and resell a journal. You can see the tracker right there. Go ahead and pause, take a look at that, and see exactly what you're getting when you purchase that. Module 8, promotional email swipes. These are done for emails. We'll open up one of those and take a look at it. And of course, you get your license, which is the rights to use this content as your own. There are some bonuses. You get the fast action bonus number 1, which is 20 high quality social media social quotes, as well as fast action bonus 2, which are high quality chapter images. Of course, if you are a PLR veteran and you've used private label rights and done for you content in the past, you know exactly how powerful this package is and the true value of the content that you can use as your own content, again, for a multitude of things, either as an affiliate marketer or to sell this as your own product. Now, if you've never bought done for you content or PLR and don't quite understand private label rights, I'm going to show you inside the ebook right now. And of course, the ebook comes in a Word document that is yours to edit. As you can see right here, this is the Word document. It comes with the contents right here. This is the chapters, as well as it leads you into the introduction. And you can see the introduction here. It has an image. Of course, if you don't like that image, you simply delete it. Then you can start reading the content. The term pivot is being used increasingly these days to describe the act of proactively changing with the times. 2020 has shown us that with the pandemic, quarantines, and the myriad of other unpredictable consequences, one can't take anything for granted. You simply hit enter and you start retyping this. Here I've highlighted how I've rewritten that above paragraph. Now in 2021, we've seen with the pandemic, quarantines, and the myriad of other unpredictable consequences, one can't take anything for granted. And I'm sure you've been hearing the term pivot and how it is being used interchangeably these days to describe the act of proactively changing with the time. I'm sure you can see how simple that is to take one paragraph at a time, slightly reword it, change it around a little bit, and it makes this content uniquely your own, and that is the power of private label rights. Again, if you're a veteran, you know exactly how powerful this is, but if you're new to private label rights and PLR content, that's why I wanted to make this video and share this with you, because this is definitely a shortcut to content creation and even a way to save money to get some high quality content that has been crafted by a trusted source that all you have to do is purchase, download, and do a little bit of editing. Now, I mentioned back in the Global PLR Pivot Point membership area where you download your product, there's access to some upgrades. One of those upgrades being the Pivot Point Gold, which are done for you videos. This is one of the videos that's done for you. I'll go ahead and play a little bit of this so you can see the quality of the content.
Speaker author Simon Sinek's quote, "Words may inspire, but only action creates change," summarizes this entire chapter into one sentence. However, even actions, however positive they may be, will face hesitation and obstruction.
So there you see a sample of the video. Now, editing video and using video PLR is a little bit more complicated, but I also have a video here on the channel. I'll leave a link in the description to the playlist where you can see how easy it is to utilize video PLR content as well. And again, if you're a veteran of PLR, you most likely know how to do this, but you might pick up some tips in that as well. So be sure to check that out. The Pivot Point Platinum is another upsell, and what that's going to do is give you PowerPoint slides, keynote slides, and the transcripts of the videos. So basically you can take those. If you wanted to completely reshoot the videos, you would have all that done for you as well. And that is a complete walkthrough of the Pivot Point with this headline above. I think it delivers, as well as the statements over here about why you should pick it up today, because this is some high quality, done for you private label rights, or what is called PLR content. Link below this video in the description in the pinned first comment. Go ahead, click that link, pick this up, and get started with this content. And like I said, if you have any questions, just reach out and ask, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.